Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to the Party Party Show. As a matter of be like this now, I say very big good morning to everybody. And my heart here filled with many joy and many happy things. And as it be like this now, I'm just a happy somebody. If I actually hug for 10 minutes, oh my, oh, as it be like this now, I'm joyful, I'm happy, I'm just elated, I'm flabbergasted. As the matter be like this now, so make I take this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, make welcome again, my girl, my baby one titty, lekwato short, lekwato fine, lekwato hey, ladies and gentlemen, my girl don't come back. Mayowa of every Mayolistic baby, oh my God. I'm blushing on your behalf. Which kind of laugh be this one? Wait, it's not too early to misbehave. At least, no, wait, calm down. What's wrong with you?
Calm down. See this one, teacher.
What's it done? That one.
Like vampire own.
But it's good,
so I'm going to need to laugh with.
Mayowa, how are you, Mayowa?
Oh, that's okay.
I don't worry you now. I hail you like this.
I know you miss me.
No,
that's okay.
See, for the first time in my life, and for every, I go admit, I miss Mayowa like the way they miss fuel for this country. Yeah? Oh, Mayolistic. No, I miss you. Oh,
I miss you more. I miss you so much. And they try to pretend. They tell me for my ear for back. So they can pretend, say, I don't miss you.
Nothing.
But I lie.
You know if you
I don't fit. No verse. Associate producer. What's it mean? Jeff, no verse.
Banky W.
I missed him. But I missed him.
Oh, I miss you too.
I miss you too.
Every step I take.
I miss you.
Every move I make.
I miss you.
Every single day, every day you take, I'll be missing you.
I'm telling you this thing. I miss you plenty. And you can't wait in Ogbolor, make I tell you something.
Yes.
Apart from you, when I miss the show.
Yes.
I miss the show.
Yes.
And then I just...
the whole set scene, just come around and
sit down. This chair. I so miss this chair.
All right, don't do. You don't do. Let me go to miss now. Thank you.
Before we get very teary and emotional.
I'm too emotional.
Yeah.
Touching my rats. Sorry,
let's go break.
All right. So we'll go for this break. Then we'll come back.
The same way we do.
The same way.
Before I go shout break now, another thing go enter.
Nothing don't change. But Olive try.
Olive
shows a good witchcraft replacement. Now fight Monday to Friday.
Olive, no worry.
Fight.
No worry. I tell her, say if you do anyhow, make she give it to you.
She give it to me.
She gave it to you.
She give it to me.
Olive, no worry. Thank you so much. I will give you my hair as a gift. This hair, we will be sharing it.
Baby,
you will use it this week, 2 weeks. I will use it next 2 weeks. Olive. You know we used to run this our package in this our television.
In a witchcraft place.
Yes, we used to share everything.
Okay. A break. We are going to break. We are coming back.
I finally was forgetting how to press the record. Oh, I missed most of it. That's funny.
Too much.
He still wants to eat. Apa ba now? Okay.
Which kind of parents build this one? Say Gary, go. Say Gary, go.
You know, say this thing they happen when we're especially for airports.
For airport, for church.
When people they wait for church. You know, say get one DP where people they talk now and say, why ushers they disturb us for church? After all, it's my father's house. Why can't I sleep?
Abi, lounging.
Why can't I sleep?
But those children, they be like, they put alcohol for their food.
I don't know whether they put sleeping tablets.
The two of them together. Together,
The parents have them wicked.
They call the record them.
They call the auntie, daddy, and agbaya. Do you know what agbaya is in Yoruba?
But now their children.
They are a big for nothing person.
Now their children, they can use it to catch trips. They use their children to catch trips.
That one, but the talk is very funny.
It's very funny.
All right, so we're going to enter the level of Yan the Yan now. Onto the matter. Make we just go. I miss this show.
Yan the Yan, baby, you know, yes. As we always talk, she don't come back, you know, so Yan. Signature.
What kind of signature?
This is some signature. They be like, says.
You're not poor man's signature. Poor man's signature, now in the long. They go do like 17 times right on top. Rich man, you go just come.
Finish.
Finish.
They just poor men. That's like.
One almost
how
tear
much
the paper. They won't tear the paper.
They call the dot. They can't give you, okay, take. You can't look the money. 2.5. For that signature. Me when a rich man, I got to.
Finish. End of story.
2.5 million.
It's over.
Poor men and their own this thing, but doctors too, they get their own too.
Abi?
Doctors.
All right, so back onto the Yan. Make I just give you the first gist for this morning. We will fight Boko Haram with every blood where we get. Now, so Nigerian soldiers they talk now. Now, this one now matters with concern security of the economy.
Of the country.
Yes, it's a security-based something.
Gist.
So I'm going to give you the gist like I'm delivering a security news.
Give it to them. Huh?
Now, they say touching, heart-melting video of interview where they've been get with Nigerian soldiers. In don't talk for instance, say they go fight against Boko Haram as soon as... they no cost, mind what it go cost them. They go fight against Boko Haram. They say they released this video, of which the video they recorded them on the 10th of March 2015. And they released them yesterday to show gallant troops them. That's one, security men them, and when they share their experience so far against these bad people, the way they call Boko Haram people. One of the brave heroes, Private Jeremiah, in talk this one for inside the video, he say, I am Private Jeremiah Friday. I dey fight for my country, and if I die for my country, I know I died for my country. I need to fight so that I fit bring peace back to Maiduguri, because this is not the only place where you fit find the Boko Haram. I know they're afraid of them. I know they're afraid at all. If I dey afraid, I no go come here at all. So my coming to this place now to fight those people and now waiting at the group. So my other colleagues, them, everybody they desperate to see say Boko Haram don't go under the drain. So I really need to build up courage to fight for my country, because if I no fight today, if it affects me and my generation tomorrow. You get it?
Oro. Yeah, I've spoken a very, very good statement. But my own be say, I hope there will be action film that they ask for us. So you understand? Maybe there will be action film that they ask for. Make it double. Because people they ask, see what Nigerian soldiers they do. So now they can release a video to bring people mouth down. So it can be a real thing, it can be an action film.
But you know, say sometimes recently, they'll actually get proof, say some of the soldiers they fight. Some of them even don't die in the midst of these things.
Of course.
So some of them, they die on top this particular matter. Yes, if people like say we can get interviews, so maybe we just take a very brief and short of the interview of one of them soldiers them when he been talk on top this matter, please. I beg.
Cheers.
I'm Private Jeremiah Friday. I want to fight for my country. And if I die for my country, I know I die for my country. So I need to fight so that I will restore peace back to this Maiduguri. Because this is the only place where you can find the Boko Haram. I can't be afraid of them. If I'm afraid, I will not be here. If I'm afraid, I will never come here. So my coming to this place is to fight the Boko Haram. My colleagues or everybody are desperate to see the Boko Haram. So I really need to build up my courage to fight for my country. Because if I don't fight today, it can affect me tomorrow.
My name is Lieutenant I.W. Irakwen. I think 103 battalion so far in this mission that I know of has been winning the war. We have conducted several of our patrols. We've been able to hold this ground, Konduga, for a very long time. Boko Haram has never entered this ground since the day we entered here. And we have done that successfully well. They attacked us several times, up to 8 times on this ground, and they never went away. We make sure we dealt with them. We begin to enjoy it more now. More equipment are coming. Now we see jet flying everywhere. We see choppers flying all the place. We see drones are being sent, acquiring information and bringing it to us. And right now I think it's more easier to deal with him because equipment are everywhere. That's the most beautiful thing about the soldiers here. They are always ready.
Hey!
Beautiful.
Praise the lot, though.
Beautiful, impressive. I don't go even
Hey,
like
impressive. Time don't reach where they go. They interview these guys. Them. Time don't reach. But like I go always talk, if you still be action fee.
But either ways, whether action or no action, the fact that they get an idea of the ideal thing to do,
yes,
that's something to be thankful for.
Yes. But last month they say biggest, well done to our soldier guys them. To do soldier work, not be joke.
My brother.
Just say, make I just go die for the country. Hey!
And Ogbolor.
Just say die like that.
Ogbolor. I want do one small mebo. No be me talk am. Ogbolor then speak good English.
No be say they say.
Then speak good English.
Hey, Boko Haram, went in.
Yes,
come
he
here.
say gynecologist take care of Ghana. Then speak good English. We are very grateful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, we'll come up for inside this Nigerian soldier team. We'll come to talk of another rap soldier. He rapping somebody that like to fight up and down. He like to bone for the eternity.
Ogbolor, good luck to you and
Kanye West. Kanye West, he are just sitting down. Now, we don't say that rapper Kanye West be before. No, he still be rapper. You understand? If you get one way you recently do with Rihanna self, he still rap. You understand? But these days, you know say he don't chook leg with Kim Kardashian. Okay. We be fashion somebody. Now, Kanye West said on the two hands, make himself go to try some kind of fashion thing because himself they create fashion statements.
Maybe say record no they sell again.
And maybe rap no they sell for him again. You know, so after the wala when they cost, go run enter stage, collect a award for person hand, do wala. He won't take too much. But Kanye now the talk say the reason why he love fashion is because he don't always get fashion idea for head scenes. They say one time he come out with something like skirt.
Yeah, that year.
He said he be fashion somebody, he might be fashion somebody. You understand me now? He said the biggest mistake, anybody will make mistake for fashion, he be like person will go carry belly, give all this our sister there, what they do a shower work. You know, so I said that the biggest and the most expensive kind of mistake where if you make, not to go do mistake on top fashion things. Me, I can't ask self, say, because he doing fashion this thing last time, for Paris.
You go see the clothes when you go wear now.
For Paris. He do some kind of fashion things last time. And the clothes the way enter runway. From Kanye West, even in Peking, they cry for where she's down. Daddy, oh, I don't know which kind of clothes be this, oh. See, I'm now, Kanye West, he are doing a big boy thing in the fashion stuff. But, well, now businessman the guy be, so I should say, as rap, don't they raking some kind of money for him. Instead, we just want to see how he go take, go one corner, go do fashion things. If that's in they warn the camera guy now, say, wait till they worry, and I'm making come up for you. But he shake the guy, say, you know my guy.
Only you just they decide what thing they do.
Yeah, I say, be like, say, because first time they talk now.
You know, say, you get something when I want to talk concerning this fashion something. I they tell this thing, people no one here. This now another kind of slavery people no know. You know how many people they slaves to fashion, Ogbolor?
Fashion slaves.
You know, so some people they work only so that they feel meet the latest fashion trend.
No, that's a normal thing now.
I they tell you this thing. People are so obsessed with this fashion something.
But they just wonder why Kanye West always wear black and black.
Abi.
Now black, Kim Kardashian now don't wear black too. Black. Well, anyway, Sha, now there's Abi, husband and wife, they do fashion things, making more money for themselves. Our owner to the look, they comment, Abi, they are making more money.
Wherever. We doesn't care.
It's not our
business. You are in your country, we are in our country.
Please
we are celebrating soldiers is fight Boko Haram.
Exactly.
You want to wear a fashion cloth, that's your business.
It's your business, man. Like, duh. Please take it away. We are coming back after this break. Like it's our business to be doing the fashion.
I don't get
Kim
it.
Kardashian and what's all that. We are our own Kim Kardashian and Kanye West.
You want to try us?
Yeah.
Okay, so for another yan, I get this particular one when I won't give you. And this one a challenge to every man where they out there, starting from this one. That is sitting down close to me.
Let me
keep quiet. Will you keep quiet?
You have come back.
Will you keep quiet?
It's too early
Let
for
me
a
give
fight.
you the gist.
Mayowa,
the name of the guy that will shame you today. Yes.
Mayowa,
yes.
Say, talk that in a lovely way. Not
the name of the guy Ogbolor that will shame you today.
Oh.
Yes.
What's his name?
His name now Mark Jordan.
Mark Jordan, your father.
Yes. Mark Jordan. Wait, Natalie, here wait you go talk. You go
Wetin
abuse
talk?
the whole family, join am.
Okay.
Mark Jordan, a 54-year-old man, and this man do pull up, press up. He do 4,321.
Eh?
Yeah.
For waiting.
4,321 push-ups. This man, he do am within 24 hours. Nobody do ever achieve that one. Then talk am.
Wait.
Now, this particular man are the dream of every woman because if you have a muscle, you understand me now. Somebody like me, who no fat, go just they use me, they do weight lift.
They carry your home.
You understand? Can you do 3?
Me.
Ogbolor, oh yeah, even do on top this table.
Mayowa, not try me.
Hold this table, push am from far, try do
I even use one hand do my own.
Ogbolor, hold this table, try do press up for table, you no go fit. Let's do this. Let's do this.
3.
Let's do this.
Hey, I this one hand. Hey, I even suspend. They do this. Hey, he.
You dey suspend.
He, see suspend. No hand, no hand. He. Gberaga not try me. See chase.
As a matter of fact, they talk say the man gets incredible physique. Hello, come on, 2, come on, 3. Wow. Wow.
How old you call him?
Hi.
54.
54. 6 years away from 60.
Hey, he's still young now. He's still young. But me, I enter gym soon. No, I enter gym soon. Mayowa, when I go gym, come back. You said go fear.
Come on, dear.
Forget
talk,
that.
Talk your story.
Now, on top this show we did.
No need. No word.
This guy is still young now. 54, still young now. When I reach 54 years old, I will still young past this one. Not be joke now.
No need.
That time, if you see my packs.
Hey, I don't.
If you see my packs.
I don't buy marketing.
Mayowa, you go see fox.
Ogbolor, talk your story.
God. You go see packs. You only you say, go no say me. I not be just 2 packs.
Ogbolor, I don't hear.
Not joke.
I don't hear.
Don't worry.
Hey.
Oh yeah, make me. I go the grow muscle say for teeth. Not they try. If we see muscle for nose.
Ogbolor talk story. Ho!
Okay, make I talk my own story. No. Quickly. This one now concern this particular, but that packs where I go get very soon. No joke. All right, you see vein for my ear.
Don't more!
All right. So, quickly, this story. Let's me the story again, Sam. 16-year-old Pekin will still be like how many months old child? Now, you get this particular sickness they call syndrome X.
Oh, wow.
If they make children, they know the feet grow to their normal size and normal ability and normal stature. Now, this particular Pekin, since they're born and they experience this particular issue, and now from where she they born and reach now, where she be 16 years old, it still be like baby one titty, it still be like one small Pekin with them, just like 7 months old Pekin. It still, and at 16 years old, it be like that. 16 years old. And so when he even small self, he get one time where she just like who died. They can't give her only 48 hours to live, but she still come back to life. But on top of the matter like this, doctors they don't try everything they go fit do, but the Pekin no fit still grow past like this. 16 years old, but she still be like some months old Pekin.
Oh, wow.
Syndrome X, then they call the particular sickness, and it affect this one. It affect them bad. It be like 7 months old Pekin, but actually you're 16 years old.
Different things just
different things they happen, but just in case you look Mayowa, for example, she might be having a syndrome X, and actually in reality now 120 something years old she be.
That's okay.
It's good, Abi.
I like it.
But very fine Pekin.
I'm telling you.
Very fine Pekin. But now like this he go stay now. Puberty go meet him.
I don't even know. Puberty don't they meet him? No be 16 years.
Hi. Oh, wow.
Puberty don't they move him?
Any which way. That are the story we'll get on top yarn for today like this. All right. So maybe we quickly jump into our funny and laugh time. By the time we come back, we'll come on back for inside the whole team. Me, I'm so happy that my girl here come back. It's going to be a fun week. All right. We go try make no fight. We go there on the accord,
we will be
on
as
a cooperation
friends
level.
on a PADI level. Come on, do tente.
Will they come back?
Wait.
Tinko. You don't forget
Oh yeah,
that.
wait.
Tinko.
That's it. Well,
You go no pikin wey no sharp.
No,
You go no pikin wey go dey carry last.
No, but this particular one, this particular, you say that pikin now, you know if you know say their food.
You still hold am, come dey run. If you at least drop wetin dey drop, dey run, so that you go get strength to run.
After 2 years, you still drop am.
After 2 years.
You still drop am. This will come be like the other version of that pikin now.
The one wey no grow.
So come be like saying they want all the fowl. If you are near me, I go pluck una feather. I will pluck you. You not take this stew.
Ogbolor, this guy head be like your own when you small. See the side of
this
his
kind
head.
of pikin, they break palm kernel.
Now waiting.
All right, this one I'll go back to your village. Go back to your village.
Now only when I welcome to Lagos. Now so that people they take enter Lagos. Look, Claude.
They just catch me now. See eye, see nose, see mouth, everything.
Ogbolor. These people for this our office, more than they respect for themselves.
They just catch me now.
When I just catch my gas, stand up now, more than respect for themselves. Because na padi padi show no me say no go do us anyhow. More than they respect for themselves. Hey, bege.
Lebo. F Young.
This person relate to F Young.
F Young now our producer.
Wallahi, nobody fit tell me say this person no relate to.
Now so I be that guy fit see your destiny.
Now so I be fit see future.
From here go they see a butameter. You say where they go? I know the street now. They see am from here now. They use F Young till they do weather forecast. They use that till they do traffic reports. If you just stand there and say, a butameter, you free. Hey. Okay.
Girls are dangerous.
Girls are dangerous. Save me. Someone, please save me.
Now crocodile they shout so.
Crocodile they holler. Hey, this
now
one
so
now.
we wicked rich.
Now they toy with different things. Even
Whatever.
men inclusive.
Whatever.
Men inclusive.
Whatever. So we just want to explain that small thing will happen. Now you see, normally sometimes, Ogbolor, they blind sometimes. It did long-sighted eye.
So they jump up for
seat.
seats.
So they jump up for seats, go look the thing where then they show. So that small thing when I just catch up. Now waiting happen.
So if you say they scratch now.
Now so they for catch
you. They scratch is sweet.
Meanwhile, they always any small thing when they go break, I go begin.
Do
repair some kind of things. Now so for catch.
They adjustable.
Una go just they treat us anyhow for this show. No respect.
It's Monday.
No.
Behave yourself.
Advise
how to take start the week, now you go take determine how you go take do the remainder of the week.
Yes.
So if you start on a dangerous speed,
yes,
you will end the week on a dangerous speed.
Yes.
You understand? We know the joke for you.
We don't like it.
Say we be party, but you know me say we no fit carry
it. It's a serious show.
We take your time.
Yes.
Please. Makachineke, please take your time.
It's a serious show.
Man,
I know they treat us like say we don't know what we they do.
It's a serious show.
Try am. More than try am. They threaten us now say they go off our light. Try am.
Threaten us, we threaten you back.
Everybody knows in our studio. Try am.
What is wrong with you?
Oh yeah now.
Make I stone them.
They do us anyhow. They give us respect. Stone them. Thank you. They give us respect. They did this like more than they respect themselves.
More than go Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI.
Yes.
At Wazobia PADI PADI. More than reach them. More than yarn us every on top the whole level. All right.
If una know say una get mind,
yes,
off these lights.
I don't off the lights.
If una get mind.
Okay.